Hello, kings and queens. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, I am Grace and you are warmly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for clicking to watch this video. And to all my subscribers and viewers, God richly bless you for the love and support. I believe by the special grace of God, you all are doing amazingly good and keeping safe. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I prepare my oil-free okra soup or oilless okra soup. So if you would like to find out how I prepare this yummalicious goodness right here, then please keep watching as I talk you through the ingredients and then the step-by-step procedure. So here I have my meat. I have a combination of oxtail, goat meat, and cow skin. I will season it with salt and chopped onions and bring this to a boil. Now I have here red bell peppers, tomatoes, habanero pepper, a combination of brown and red onion, garlic, and ginger. And on the other side, I have my spices. That's cumin, dried rosemary, vegetable seasoning, coriander seed, star anise, chopped onions, and also have on the side baking soda that will go in the okra. So here I have my okra. It has been washed and chopped to my preferred sizes. I went in with the baking soda and then the chopped onion. I'll go in with water, stir it, and bring this to a boil. In a separate pot, I'll go in with my um brown onion, habanero pepper, the fresh tomato, and then the bell peppers. Add water to those and bring those to a boil as well. Right, so here as you can see, I have my meat here. It's simmering in its juices for 10 minutes before I'll go in with water or the spice blend. My okra on the other side and then the vegetables. All right, so I'll give those a stir. It's been simmering for 10 minutes. I'll give it a stir and then blend my spices and pour the mixture onto it. So in my blender goes the brown onion, one of the brown onion, red onion, vegetable seasoning, garlic, ginger, cumin, dried rosemary, coriander seed, and then the star anise. I'll blend this and pour the spice blend or the blended mixture onto my meat. Right, so in goes the spice blend. I'll give it a stir, cover it, and then allow it to cook for 20 minutes while I prep my mackerel. So I'll be using smoked mackerel, and this is home smoked mackerel. So I'll prep this by removing all the unwanted parts and then wash it and put it on the side. Okay, so here you are. I'll wash it and put it on the side like I said earlier. So let me check on my okra and the meat. So as you can see, the okra is boiling nicely. The meat is also cooking really well. And then the vegetables is almost ready. Right, so I'll be adding fresh molokhia, which is ayoyo, to my okra soup. And so here is my fresh molokhia. It's been washed. I'll add that to my okra. Now, every time I prepare okra soup and I use fresh molokhia, I make sure I cook my okra to about 90% before I go in with the ayoyo. This is because the ayoyo is super soft and it doesn't take long to cook. Right, so yep, I'll give it a stir and then leave it to cook for like 5 minutes while I blend my cooked vegetables. So I went in the blender with cold water because this is hot. Okay, so now I'm going in with my cooked vegetables. That's the tomatoes, the bell peppers, the brown onion, the habanero pepper. Right, so I'll blend those and then pour the blended mixture onto my meat. I'll rinse the blender with water, give it a stir, and then add enough water to make the soup. Right, so at this point, my soup is almost ready, and so I'll go in with my clean smoked mackerel. Give it a stir, and then let it cook on a medium heat for like 10 minutes for the fish to absorb the goodness in the soup. Okay, so at this point, my soup is ready. Here I have my cooked okra and fresh molokhia. I'll pour that into the soup base, give it a stir, and then leave this to simmer for 5 minutes. Okay, so now my okra soup, oil-free okra soup is ready. This can be paired with any kind of swallow. So that could be benku, kenke, eba, rice swallow. Yeah. So kings and queens, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button and also click on the notification bell. This way, anytime I upload a video, you will get notified. Please share my videos with your family and friends. Until I come your way with something delicious, something yummy, something finger licking, something mouth watering, stay safe, stay out of trouble, be true to yourself, and remember that life's greatest lessons are usually learned at the worst time and from the worst mistakes. I will see you again in my next one. Bye bye.